All right, it looks like we're live. Wanted to make sure. Let me double check on YouTube Studio. Yeah, looks like we're live. So this is DIY Web Strategy Labs. We're doing a live stream today with WordPress custom block theme development today. And we're just going to go ahead and build the theme from scratch here. So we got the WordPress local setup started. If you go to VS Code, you'll see that I already started the server. In order to start the server, you use this command, wp-env start, and that'll start your local host server. And I am using a Docker setup. So let me show you guys my Docker setup. I got a few Docker containers running WordPress here. So far I have the WordPress site title up here in the index.html file. I want to get rid of that right now. We're not going to use it for now. We're going to actually go ahead and let's save that. We're going to go ahead and basically build the whole HTML template in sections and using blocks. So I want to, we got the includes here, assets folder here. Let me check something real quick. I want to make sure I have the appropriate hierarchy here. I believe I do. Let's double check here. All right, so what I need to do is make sure that I add parts here. So let's add the folder parts. And then we're gonna create two files in here. Header.html and then footer.html. Okay, we got those. And I believe that's all we need for right now. We're going to basically start with the header. And then that should be pretty simple, hopefully. Let's see. Let's, we got all those in. Everything's in. Okay. Nothing to worry about so far. Let's go back to the WordPress setup here and let's refresh this page real quick since we don't have the site title in there anymore. It says edit site. It's got the site title in there anyway. Did I save the file? I did save the file. Something's up. Something's up. Okay. I wonder. I did just click that, right? Oh, okay. I was gonna say. All right. So let's go ahead, clear all customizations. Nothing's in here now. Let's save that, because we don't need any customizations right now. I could, just throw the HTML in there and then customize that, but it's no use in doing that. It wouldn't make sense. It's no point. Let's just go ahead, start creating some sections here. So let's make some template parts. We got the header and footer section there. So let's go with the header. And we want to create a navigation bar. Let's hit the block. Oh, there it is right there. All right, so I want to have, you know what? Let's get rid of that. Instead, first, let's make sure we create a row. And then space between items. Make sure that allow to wrap to multiple lines is disabled. Our links will be white. Typography, font family. Montserrat. Let's see what else. Should I make it medium or small? I don't know. I'll leave it where it is for right now. Okay. So we're gonna want to have 2 columns. Or no, this is just the navigation for now. So let's see. Add columns first. I think I want to go with 6633. Or no, 3366. Because I want to have my logo at the top too. Okay, so in this column, let's add site title. And in this column, actually, what's going on with site title right now? I was gonna say, okay, so we're gonna want to make sure we fix that. Let's go to columns and change the width. Let's go 60/40. And then 40 here. I mean 60. And have them span the width. This row has to span the width. So, believe we're good. Let me save it and just kind of look at it real quick, because I know my CSS probably doesn't look how I like it to look. Okay, not bad. Let's get some navigation in here. So we're gonna have in this column here, navigation, all of our links. Okay, so let's create a new menu. Our links will be spaced evenly, orientation left to right, mobile, switch to this, show the icon button. Okay, we're good on that. Text. I don't think we'll have any let me make them white. No. How about that? Gray 700, gray 800. Let's go with gray 800. Text will be gray 800. Oh no, it has to be white. It has to be white. And I think my link has to be white as well. Yep. Because you won't be able to see it otherwise. Let's go back to the row. Change the background to our gradient. Okay. Not bad. So I haven't started on the navigation yet. What do I have so far? No links. Doesn't look like I have any chat yet. If there's any questions, leave them in the chat if you have them, if you're watching. Let me double check and see. I do have some viewers. Okay. So, yeah, if you have a question, just leave it in the chat. I'm just kind of going through this right now and, you know, taking it step by step. Okay, so navigation text is already white. Yeah, we got that. All right, I guess it's time to start adding some links. So let's go with home. Wonder what that. Let's see. What did that go to? Let's send it to first off, I need to make sure that I'm doing the SSL certificate. Matter of fact, that should be the next thing that I work on, because I don't know if I have SSL. But instead of using that for right now, I'm just gonna have to go with HTTP and change all of that once I get the opportunity to. Okay. You know what? Just leave it for now. No need to worry about it. I'm just gonna leave it because it's not up on. Once I start putting it into the actual hosted WordPress website, then it's gonna, like the page will be there and I'll be able to populate the link there. So I'll just leave it alone. As long as the link is available, it should be fine. Let me go back to navigation, add another link. What other link do I want? Videos. Let's put about in there. Yeah, let's just put an about page. And what else do we want? Videos. Let's get let's see. Resources. Should I? Yeah, I guess I should make a resources page. Yeah, I should make a resources page. Let's see. And you know what? Instead, because I'm not gonna have the content for that right away, so let me just go ahead and do contact. I don't even know what I was writing. And then, is there anything else? I think that should be fine. So I got all of those. I'm gonna have to style those as well. Matter of fact, let me make sure. I think all my stuff is got the right typography, I believe. Yeah, it should, because this whole row should have it. Yeah. All right, so let's save that. It's gonna look weird in the beginning. See what it looks like. What just happened? I know I just saved it. Oh, it's in header. Is that what it is? It could be that. Either way, I still need to fix this. I gotta finish it. I think what I'm gonna do is make this transparent and sticky. I may do that later, though. I'll worry about that later. All right, so let's make the next column, or not the next column, but the next section. We got our columns here. We got a row. We want another row with 2 columns. Okay, so let's have space between items. No. Well, yeah. Justification to the left. No, we want space between items. Let's see what else. Text had to be white. Links white. Will I have any links? I have a button. I don't know if I have any links. Let me just make the text white and the links. Yeah, let's work with that. And I chose the palette for a reason, but let's see. Is there anything else that I want? I'm a probably put some padding. You know what? There's gonna be columns, so it's not gonna matter. I'm gonna save it real quick. Let me make sure that my typography is legit. Font family. Montserrat. I could have sworn I had another font family. Was it not in heading? I know I had another one. I had Lato, I thought. Was that only for the site title? Is that in Lato? I don't know if that's in Lato or not. Let me double check. It's not in Lato. It is now. Okay, so why is there? Oh, it's underlined. Okay, so let's go back to this row here. Add my columns. Want them to be 50-50. We're going to add, let me see. Oh, we want to do it on the left or the right? Let's do the left. Image. We're going to upload one. Where did I put it? No. It's definitely in here. Okay. Matter of fact, I more so want it to be in the background than anything. Anyway, I think I got it uploaded. I thought I uploaded it. Was that not it? Did something go wrong? Anyway, I'm gonna just go on ahead, get this second column going. I need a heading. Oh, I forgot. I need to make sure this background is in here because it's not gonna. I don't know about that. I'm gonna just leave it for now. Uh, all right, so we got that headline, and next we want to add a form. You know what? I'm gonna save that for another video. Yep. I'm gonna put a paragraph here. Or you know what? I'm gonna just use HTML. Cause I do have the HTML. Let me get that real quick. Okay. Yeah, all we gotta do is just use a little bit of HTML real quick. And we could just use that as a placeholder until we actually fill it in. Oh, that looks terrible, but we'll fix it. That looks horrifying. Lord have mercy. I'd have to fix it like actually in the HTML, but no biggie. We'll just leave it for now. Let me say this and then take a look at it, see what it's looking like. I'm still not seeing anything over here. Okay. No worries. We got 2 things up so far. We'll just copy this block, go back to the other, go back to VS Code, go to index.html, paste that, or no, actually Control A, delete, paste the head, not head PHP, header HTML, sorry, and paste that in there. Control V and save. Is that footer one saved? Yes, saved. So now, I'm gonna go on ahead and refresh on the other page here. All right. Refresh is good. Let's clear our customizations. And everything is still there. Let's save it. Okay, cool. So I think the only thing that I need now, hang on just a second. Let me go back to index. Oh no, back to that. There it is. All right, so let's clear customizations in here. I think I had to get the header PHP information. Hang on just a second. What was it? What am I thinking? Oh, there we go. Okay, so that's what it is. So I had to put the part in there. Let's get the template part. Add a block. Whoops, that's not what I wanted to do. Remove that. Choose header. That actually came out pretty decent. I just need to get those styles to look better. Okay, we got the template part. I need to add the footer as well. Do I want to do that now? Let's just add it. There it is. Okay. So I'm going to say that. Make sure it's in there first. Save it. And make sure that I have this in the HTML file, the index HTML file, I think. Let's check the home page again. I saved it, right? Yeah, I saved it. So you guys are kind of getting an idea, you know, how I work, what it's like watching me work. I can tell you now, it's not. Wait a minute, what? Let me just copy this. Copy the blocks, put that in the index.html file. Got those two in there. Control S. Yeah, that should be fine. Now I can refresh. Get the index HTML file in there. Clear the customizations. Oh, no need to. All right. I do want to see. All right. So there we go. Now we got something showing and it looks horrifying. Lord have mercy. More styling has to happen here. We got the typography is perfect. I don't know what happened to the image. I don't know why it's not showing. Okay, so let's go back into the header part of the template. How do I get back to that? I keep forgetting how to do that. All right. Template parts, header. See, why does it look fine here? I don't understand. Anyway. Okay. This whole thing is supposed to span the length of the and it is, so I don't have a problem with that. What I have a problem with is why this is constrained. What do I have going on over here? Let's see. I don't understand what it is that's causing that. Let me check on this one. I don't want to get too stuck into this because I would prefer to fix the styling later and just get the elements on the page. And this isn't supposed to wrap. So let's save that. Okay, now that's good. The only issue I have is that I don't have this on the right hand side. And this is straight up on the edge. So I'm going to edit some of that. Why does it look different here? I mean, I guess it's just adding padding. It adds padding and everything else. See, I don't want to do it in the columns. I want to do it on the row. Okay, so I guess I'll just add padding here. The left. That might work. 5. Let's do 4. 4 seems decent. Yeah, let's do 4. And then, actually, no. Not padding. No, get rid of that. Yeah, get rid of that. Margin. Yeah. And I want it left and right. Is there a way to do auto? No, it's only top and bottom margin. Well, I'm gonna need some padding anyway. So, okay, let's just do it this way. Let me see what that looks like. Not bad. It's just, it throws this off a little bit. And I want all of this to look like pretty much centered. Okay, so that's the row. Let me add some margin to the top of this. Let me see what that looks like. I'm really just kind of experimenting and kind of testing stuff out, testing these styles out. As you can see, I could get kind of obsessed with this, and then you lost me. I'm gone. I'm long gone. Okay, I want this column. I want everything in this column to align to the right. Really, so well, what if I did it? Because it should go all the way to the other end. That's what I'm not understanding. Let me see what that looks like. Yeah, I didn't do anything. Wait, these are supposed to be evenly spaced. Um, I can't figure out what it is. I'm gonna figure that out later, because I really just want to get all this stuff on here. My image is not coming in. I don't understand that. Is it in my library? I have no items found. I try to upload. Nothing's working. Oh, damn. I gotta bring. Okay. 2 megs. 2 megabytes. Okay, screw it. I'm gonna figure it out. WordPress, Docker. PHP INI file. Oh man, I'm not getting ready to start experimenting with Docker right now. Okay, so what I probably should do here is figure out how to get this image below uh 2 MB in size. Where is it? What are the properties on this? 25 MB. Is it even possible? What would I have to do? Make this into like a, let's see. Let's figure this out real quick. Open it up with GIMP and see what we could do to compress the file maybe. Okay, let's see. This is my stock photo here. Little placeholder image. I think I'm gonna have to export it. I guess as a JPEG. I don't want to do that. I want to, no. So export as. Am I even saving it in the place where I want it? That's the place where I want it. Maybe I should put it in a different folder. Let's put it in DIY. But I want to export it in a lower quality. Let's bring it down to about 40% and see if that export is worth it. Let's see. Okay. There it is. Hey! Right on time with it, baby. That was awesome. All right. Let's see. Where am I at? All right, here we go. Yeah. Screw you. I'm putting my image in here. No, I don't need all your captions. But I will type in some stuff here. So, I mean, this is placeholder stuff. Normally, you want to add a title and alt text just to, stay compliant. But I'm not doing it today because I just want to have an image up there. That's all I wanted. I just wanted to have an image up there. Like, honestly, it's ridiculous. Okay, so that's in there. Um, Let me make sure this looks decent. All right. All right. All right. All right. Okay. Issue with this. I don't mind. I don't know. I don't mind it. I know I have to fix all this stuff, like put some padding in there. Let's get that in there now, actually. I don't know, bro. I kind of like it, but I don't at the same time. Like I wanted to take over that whole space, but at the same time I don't. I can't make my mind up on that one really. Um, yeah, I really can't make up my mind on that. I think maybe I should just let it be. Throw some padding in there, bro. Like, cut it out. Stop being an asshole. Just put some padding in there. Yeah, just do it. I don't know. Is that what I wanted? Let's see what that looked like. Yeah. I'll take it. We gotta style most of this stuff up. Like it's gotta look way better than this. Like, oh my lord. I'ma need this. What we gonna do with that? Make it an H2. Is this an H2? It's definitely gotta be larger text. Yes, an H2. I have to increase the size of that text to large. X large. Let's stick with X large. And then let's change this to center. See how that looks. Actually, no, I should leave it on, yeah, align left. Although I do kind of like that. Like it looks kind of good. But no, we're going to do align left. No, sorry. Uh, all right. Text looks good there. Um, I don't have no CSS on my form. I'm not going to do it right now because we're going to totally fix that like in a whole nother video. Like we're just going to do that in a separate video. All right. So things are looking decent. Decent. Let me refresh. You know what? I know what I'm going to do. You changing this. To solid. As a rock. That's what this love is. That's what we got. Oh, that looks. Ooh, it looks so plain. Ooh, Let's change it. Maybe we're on to something here. I kind of like it. I want to throw some designs up in there and get some, you know, colors and stuff. I want some cool stuff. This looks cool though. I like it. Me likey. Yes, I like this. I prefer it. Switching it up. All right, so now we got the header. And what are we doing next here? Is that all I want right there? I think that's all I want for now. Just for now. Yeah. Because we're going to fix this in another video. And then, yeah, let's do the, let's knock out the footer real quick. You know, jump on that. Let's save it. Minimize these. Copy them. And then add them to the header HTML. All right, so we got the header HTML here. Control A. I'm going to completely replace all of it. Yeah. Wow. All right. Yeah, this should be our HTML. Yeah. Yeah, that's just our HTML for our form. And now I am going to refresh this page over here. And clear customizations. It still looks the same. I'm going to say that. And I'm going to refresh the page. Cool. All right. So next, I want to... I like this as it is. I want this to end up on this side, but I'll figure that part out later with the when we, like, you know, we're gonna kind of do touch-up styles, I guess. So let's go back here, browse all templates, knock out the footer real quick. It's not gonna be too difficult. I just want to make it a simple footer. Just make it a row. All the text needs to be white. Links need to be white. Let's make the text size small. Yeah, all I want to do is just have something right down the center. That's it. A few icons. So let's align it in the center. And we're going to add, oh, wait, before we do that, take the background, make it gray 800. Is that what we want? Or do we want gray 900? Let's try gray 800. I like this one. Okay. So let's go with uh heading. Let's see. You know what? No heading. Simple paragraph. Or do they have a copyright thing? I had to put the symbol in there. I think I have to add the icon. Do I have the bootstrap icons? I don't know if I had the bootstrap icons. Uh, do I need the bootstrap icons? I don't think I do. Anyway, this paragraph should be in this row, right? Right? Uh, like I'm not even sure if I'm doing all this right here, but I don't really care. I just want to get this done. So let's center that. Ain't this supposed to be in the row? Yeah, there you go. Make sure that my typography in this row is proper. Fix my typography. All right. I wanted to add some icons, but I don't know if I should, cause do we have icons? Social icons. There we go. There we go. All right. YouTube. Okay. First off, let's get these social icons in the right spot. Right below. Okay. So what probably needed to happen instead was a column. There we go. Okay. So my social icons are in there. I need these to be lined in the center. Yeah, we'll just align them in the center. And let's add another icon. Twitter. Should I do Twitter? Yeah, let's do Twitter. And I think I will add TikTok too. Okay, so I have the social icons that I want. That whole row looks dope. My only issue is I can barely see it. And why is it scrolling? There are more dimensions. Doesn't look like it. Anyway, let me make sure. Okay. Pattern, margins. Anything on the margins? Nada. I gotta make sure it's 0 then. Nope. That's not gonna work. Oh, you know what? That'll be just fine for that. Let's save that. And then change the paragraph dimensions to have a margin at the bottom. That'll do. Save that. Probably should put some margin at the bottom too for the social icons. Or let's just do columns. Yeah, let's do the columns. Whoops. And guys, if this seems a little boring, I'm sorry. I must apologize. I am not very good at coding and focusing on a task at hand and then like teaching at the same time or like guiding people at the same time. I try to, but I tend to not do so well with it sometimes. Let me change this to about 40. No, not 40. What are you doing? 20. Is that too much? That's way too much. 10. I just want a little space at the bottom. That's all. So let's change it to about maybe 6. I think 4 will do actually. Yeah, 4 seems to be it. Yeah, because that's perfect amount of space. I just need a little space at the bottom. I like having a little bit of space. So now I save that. Let's copy that block and throw it in the footer.html file. Control S. All right, come back over here. Refresh. Not bad. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Probably put a little bit of padding at the top of the column too, I think. Yeah. Just a little bit. Not padding, but margin. Yeah, just a little bit. Now that I made that change, I got to, I mean, I could just, completely go search for the parameter in the code, but I'd rather just paste it. Okay, so what I did, just Control A, Control V, and Control S. It's in there like swimwear. All right, now refresh. Let's clear customizations. Save. And it should look glorious. Glorious. Fantastic. Spectacular. Give me something. Yep, there we go. Oh, because I probably don't have any links in there. I don't want a label, but I do want a link in there. Oh, okay. So let's enter the address. I guess I gotta enter my channel address. Let me see. Put that in there. All right. Let me get Twitter in there. Lord have mercy. Is this it? Is this mine? I don't even know if it's mine. Nope, that don't exist. I don't even remember my Twitter handle for some reason. I could just sign in. It's Stop being a dweeb. I think that was it. Yeah, that was it. Long ass password. I haven't been on here in a while, but I do need to come back. All right. That's what it is. I got it now. Enter that address. I'm not even sure what TikTok link I'm gonna put in here, but I'm gonna just leave that alone for now. And let's see if those links show up now. Yep, they show up now. Let's see. What's next? Go back here. I already added it to my footer. So now we need the index.html to change. I believe. No, we don't. Okay, I got to go back to browse all templates. Go back to templates, go back to index. Now we got these two here. Okay, so we want to add a block. First off, let's make sure. Yeah. Now we're adding a block. Should we do columns? You know what? Screw it. It's gonna be a group. Okay. And what we need is, wait, before we start doing any of this, yeah, justification in the center, all text. Let's make it 700 or 8. I'm gonna leave it there for now. Oh, you know what? Just put it at 8. Then change, no, the background stays the same. Change the links to accent. Hopefully that looks good with a white background. And now let's add post template query, or no, query loop. Are we doing a query loop? Yeah, we're doing a query loop. No, we're doing a header. latest videos. Make it large. Make sure font family is Montserrat. Looks good so far. Let me add some padding at the, not padding, margin at the bottom. I believe this should be good. I did that on group, right? I did that on group. Yeah, it was on group, right? Yeah, it's on group. Sometimes I don't remember. Latest videos. Now we want to add the query loop, I believe. Did I add some padding under this latest videos? Not padding, but I don't know why I say that all the time. Margin. Yeah, let me go fix that. I gotta go back and fix that. I just realized what I just did. Yeah, it's pixels. Okay, so yeah, now that's perfect. Now what I want is the query loop, because this should have some margin at the bottom of it. Let's add the query loop. Uh, yeah, yeah. Let's just do it. Let's just do it. Okay, I want to start blank. Image. Date, title. Okay. All I have is hello world here, and that's kind of whack. I don't want it to look like that. Let's inherit query from template. I think I got everything on this part. I think I do. The text seems okay for now. Okay, so now let's get up in here in this query loop. that post template. So we got the featured image, post date. You know what? I got to make sure everything in here is using the appropriate typography, which I almost forgot. There we go. There we go, baby. All right, let's save that. And go back, featured image. Post date, post title. And we got pagination. Get rid of page numbers. I don't want it. Pagination. We want to use chevrons. Space them apart. Don't allow wrapping. Okay. Let's see. What else do I want in here? I got title. And of course, these are going to be changed to videos when they actually are ready to go. Matter of fact, in that query loop, I'm going to look at something else. Let me just look at it now, because I may want a grid. Yeah, I think I'm going to want a grid view. Yep, there we go. So three columns. Screw it. Let's do three columns. And post featured image, post date, post title. Let's add something. I want the post post tags. And the post comment count. I gotta get the plugin, the Gutenberg plugin. Oh, Lord have mercy. I don't have to do all that. Where do I want to put this? Do I have a plugins folder? I got like my folders are a mess. Jesus. I might as well just put it in this folder. Okay. Save it there. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Upload plugin, choose file. Open that, install. Oh, Lord have mercy. Am I not going to be able to do it? I'm not going to be able to do it because I can't get the plugin on here. That's fine. I'll just do it when I put it on the on the website. Like, I just got to figure out how to get the size larger on here. I haven't done that yet. So, whatever. I'm going to just leave it for now. But I have my tags. I'm going to want to put comment count on here as well. But for now, we got everything that we want. Let me create like a dummy post real quick. Get rid of this. Yeah, let's go to all posts. Get rid of, or just change hello world, I guess. Make it look a little different. Use a featured image that we already have. And set a few tags. I don't know. WordPress. Theme design. Theme development. Let's see. Gutenberg. Block development. I don't know. I think that's a good amount. Change the category. Get rid of this. Add a new category. Let's change it to WordPress. Yeah, let's just leave it at WordPress. I don't know. And add new category. Okay. Update. Now that's done. But so we'll have latest videos here. Pretty simple. Latest videos, post grid. The styles, am I okay with the styles? They're not bad. They're okay. I might have to fix some of that a little bit, but yeah, let me fix this now while I'm here. So I want to add a little bit of margin to the bottom. No, that's too big. Yeah, that works. 0, 0, 0. Oh, tweaked. Don't do that. Now, I think that's good. Let me fix these tags. Wait, what's going on here? I feel like there's... I'll check that later. Tags needs... What's going on with that? I don't understand. I guess I can't do nothing with that except add classes. So I'm gonna probably have to add a class to that. No biggie. Yeah, I'll do that part later. Let's save. You know what? Let's add something here. One more thing. Just one more thing. Oh no, I'm just gonna have to do it with classes. So I'm gonna have to create some CSS classes that fix the issues with the styling over here. But in the meantime, since we got it all figured out, I'm gonna copy this. Whoops, didn't mean to do that. There we go. And I'm gonna paste this on the index page. And save it. And now I'm gonna come back over here and refresh the page. And we should still see everything. Hopefully. Yep. It's all there. Okay, that just looks terrible on the in the editor, but that's okay. I'm gonna clear all my customizations. Everything should still be there. I'm gonna save it. And there you have it. We got our theme. So I'm gonna go back to the front page, the home page, and let's see what we got. Oh, done. Oh, so there's no pagination, so there's no need for this. I think I want to change these colors though. Yeah, I'm gonna change these colors. I want them to be darker. Are we going with 7 or 8 or 6? Let's go with 6. And 6 on this too. And save that. I just wanted a little bit more contrast. Maybe add some weight to them. A little bit of weight. Okay. Not bad. Appearance. Change that to medium. How about let's go with bold. Oh no, God, that's terrible. Medium is fine. Okay. Do I like the gray? That's like, it's really bugging me. Is the gray what I have? Because it doesn't look like it. Like, do I have the right gray? Is that the gray that I was looking for? Because it's not turning out that way. Whatever. We'll see what it looks like when I'm finally able to start making some paginations. But okay, so right now I have, it's going to say latest videos, but it's, just for latest post. But I'm going to create a custom post type specifically for videos. But for now, we'll just leave it as it is. But yeah, I am happy with this so far. We will come back in the next video and style some of this up and make it look a little better. Get some classes in there, and yeah, that should be enough for that. But in the meantime, I think we're done. I like how it looks so far. I think I'm gonna stick with this for now. It's just gonna be something simple, and won't have to have to do too much to get it up and running. But I'm gonna upgrade it over time. Little bits and pieces of stuff that's gonna be added to the homepage, for sure. Because I got a lot of ideas that I want to implement on this homepage. Anyway, well, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys liked a live stream of working on a WordPress custom block editor custom theme. And as you guys can see, like, if you go over here to Visual Studio, like, we're really not even using HTML like that. Like, we just use these block comments, and it's like, it's a comment, it's a HTML comment, but not. It's a WordPress query, I guess. It's interesting. It's a block comment or something like that, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, I'm very happy with the idea of being able to come over here and just build something, and then you just copy the little block and you paste it in the HTML editor, and then it renders on the front end. And you, like, now clients can make changes as they please, and you don't have to worry about making the changes for them anymore. Like, they can just come in here, change the text of this right here without you having to go into the HTML and do it for them. They could make changes to, whatever they need to on the website, like images, how they want this to display, where they want it to display. They can make all those changes on their own. You don't need to do it for them anymore. So that makes things a lot easier for the developer, I think. And I don't have to sit and go through a whole bunch of tedious HTML. Actually, I mean, I do. I prefer to go through the writing the HTML still because I want to know the classes. As you can see, I don't have my classes sitting right here on me. So, and I didn't really make any classes for this stuff because I knew exactly what I wanted to do with this. That's gonna be another video. May not the next video because we're gonna just come in here and do some styles. Well, actually, yeah, we'll just make it the next video. No, we had to make it a different video, completely different video. Matter of fact, so it should be the next video because I want to finish the styles at the very end. I want to make sure all the styles are perfect at the very end. And I got to get my logo in there and all of that stuff. So, yeah, I want to make sure all of that stuff is done at the very end and not worry about it. So, yeah, the next video, I think we're going to start talking about Contact Form 7 and how we use that and take advantage of it. It's just a free plugin that goes along with WordPress. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was very productive because I think that it turned out pretty well and a lot better than what the HTML that I rendered with Chat GPT. Like, thanks Chat GPT, but no thanks. But I did get the idea that I wanted, and it turned out pretty well. It's looking decent. I can make something out of this. I could get my subscribers here, create a contact form, get the video query and create the video post, custom post type, and create an about page. Really simple. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoy it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully, yeah, it will be tomorrow. Yeah, I'm not missing no days. Videos every day. So I'll probably do another live like this. I don't know if it'll be next weekend, but it'll probably be during the week. Maybe. We'll see. But I like doing this live whenever I'm doing something like just, some coding or something like that. I probably just do a live so you guys could kind of see my process and see how I figure stuff out, solve problems and whatever. And I think it's kind of helpful, for you to see that process instead of, just seeing my edits and everything, like, because my edits sometimes don't give you the whole story, and you might learn some valuable tips by just watching me when I'm actually in action doing it. Anyway, I've rambled on for enough about the end of this tutorial. I hope you guys like this video. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.